Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the band type and measuring end link width in millimeters so you know which pins or screws you'll remove. Once done, set up your workspace with a block, pin pusher, spring bar tool, small hammer, and tray for tiny parts. You start removing one link first to test fit. This minimizes risk. Make sure to photograph link order while you work. It helps later. Work slowly and steady, because precision here prevents damage to end links and pins. You now remove link pins following the arrow direction so you don't bend or break them. This is why arrows are stamped on most bracelets. If you encounter screw pins, switch to the matching screwdriver and turn slowly to avoid stripping the head. Keep parts on a tray. Once you remove the planned links, reassemble by aligning plates and tapping pins flush. Make sure pins sit level with the link tube. Test the watch on your wrist and add or remove links in one-link steps. You finish by checking clasp micro-adjust positions or adding a half link to fine-tune fit by about 0.5 to 1 millimeter. This gives comfort without removing whole links. Make sure the spring bars and clasp engage securely because a loose clasp causes the watch to slip. If a pin is stuck, apply a tiny drop of penetrating oil, let it penetrate, then tap gently from the opposite side and retry. If a screw head is stripped, use a rubber pad for grip or replace the screw. Test wear for 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.